Hi guys, in this video, I am making mango float recipe. This is very easy to make and delicious dessert that you will like. It requires 5 ingredients, so if you want to know on how to make this, please keep on watching. So first off, I have here ripe mangoes, thinly sliced, that's important, graham crackers, crushed graham crackers, all-purpose cream, and sweetened condensed milk. Alright, so let's start. First off, combine all-purpose cream and condensed milk, then mix it well, just like so. Next, in a pan like this, I don't know the size of this pan, I'm sorry. You're going to assemble your graham crackers. Next, pour in some of the cream mixture. Next to that is you're going to top it off with the thinly sliced mangoes, just like so. Then you're just going to repeat the process. So first it's the graham crackers, then the all-purpose cream, and then ripe mangoes, and then as what I have mentioned earlier, just repeat. Then you are going to cover it with the crushed graham crackers. Lastly, you are going to place it in the freezer for an hour. Then after an hour, take it out from the freezer and continue to chill in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. It doesn't look pretty or beautiful, but I promise it tastes really good. I hope you will try this recipe and thank you always for watching.